Alright guys, GBshoes23 here, got another unboxing for y'all. Let's go ahead and open this. Whip it.
I'm in the kitchen. I'm making flip, I'm making flip just like a gymnast.
The boxes. Oh, looks like we got a Jordan box. Go ahead and throw that over there. What we got? Looks like we got the Carmine 6s. Y'all can see that. Retail new. Let's go ahead and open these boys up. Ooh. I can just smell it. We got your little trash bag packaging. Look at that. Icy blue soles. These soles are looking nice. I don't understand why they do that. I don't know. Well, let's go ahead and pop this other shoe out. Look at these. Damn. I'll have a review and an on feet video coming up for y'all. Let's go ahead and just look at these. Look at that bottom. Look at that ice. Take this out. Can you see that? Jordan white. Where's the sizing on this? Size 12. That's my size, so. Alright, well, GBshoes here with another video.